Schwarzenegger. I do about 100 push-ups a day, man. Yo, oh, you like the muscles, right? They're sexy.
No.
That made me laugh. Okay, go, stop, Orange.
Okay, stop. Now go.
Yeah, man, I'm Arnold Schwarzenegger, man. Yeah.
Where did you come from?
Huh?
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia. Where are you from? I'm from Australia. Do I sound like I have an Australian accent? I don't? What do I sound like?
Are you on steroids?
I'm on steroids, yes. What are you going to do about it? Nothing? Okay then. Shut your mouth. Yeah, man, I'm Arnold. Arnold Schwarzenegger. What could I not? Stop it.
Go yell outside, like, yeah!
Yeah, man.